everyone, my name is Zoe. Today I'm going to read The Flying Elephant. Mom went shopping. She took the children. The children looked up. There was an elephant on the roof. The elephant looked funny. The elephant was fat. The children laughed. "Look at that fat elephant," they said. "An elephant?" said Mom. "Don't be silly." There was a storm. The wind blew. It rained and rained. It was a bad storm. The wind was strong. It blew the elephant away. The children went to school. The elephant was in the playground. The children laughed. The children told Mrs. May. "Look at that fat elephant," they said. "An elephant?" said Mrs. May. "Don't be silly." The children liked the fat elephant. The children liked the fat elephant. They wanted it to stay. "Sorry," said the man. "We want it back." "Look at that fat elephant," said Bill. "It's a fat elephant now," said Wilma. The end.